how to turn off subtitles on your Amazon Firestick. So if you're seeing captions or subtitles when you watch videos on your Firestick, I'll show you how to disable this in just a couple of easy steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Amazon Firestick home screen. Now make sure this is the home screen of your Firestick and not your television. So once you're on the correct input source, you should be on your Amazon Firestick home screen like this. And then what we can do is scroll all the way to the left-hand side and you'll see your profile icon. You need to go and click on this to bring up the settings. You could then scroll down the page and here you'll see all of your Amazon Firestick settings. So we're going to scroll all the way down to accessibility and go and click on this. And then you'll have the option for subtitle. You can click on this and you need to make sure that this is toggled to off like so. Now it may also be called something like closed captions on your Firestick as well. So if it's labeled as that, you can also just go and turn it off from here. Now you may also want to turn off Alexa subtitles as well. So I'm just going to go and click on this and also make sure this is turned off. And once you've disabled both of these features, the next time you play a video, it should no longer show the subtitles. Now if it's still showing the subtitles and you're using something like Amazon Prime or Netflix, you'll need to go and disable the subtitles in that specific app.